Hey there, dessert lovers! Craving delicious desserts but dreading a complicated recipe? Fear not! This recipe is your ticket to fudgy, chocolatey heaven in a flash. We're talking minimal ingredients, easy steps, and maximum flavor. Get ready to wow your taste buds with these simple homemade brownies. Delicious desserts have never been this easy. Let's get baking! Before we start, let's round up our delicious brownie squad. Half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of chocolate chips because why not? See? Simple ingredients for a simply irresistible treat. All right, baking stars, let's transform these ingredients into brownie goodness. Today, we're diving into the world of rich, fudgy brownies that will make your taste buds dance with joy. These delicious desserts are sure to impress. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure our brownies bake evenly and to perfection. Grease and flour an 8-inch square baking pan. This prevents sticking and makes sure our brownies come out clean and beautiful. In a large bowl, melt the butter. You can do this in the microwave or on the stovetop. The key is to get it nice and smooth. Once melted, stir in the sugar until it's all combined. This mixture should look glossy and smooth, setting the stage for our delicious desserts. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, stir in the vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. Our brownie batter is coming together beautifully. It's thick, rich, and already smells amazing. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. This step ensures the dry ingredients are evenly distributed and will blend seamlessly into our batter. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix as we want our brownies to stay tender and fudgy. Fold in those glorious chocolate chips. More chocolate is always a good idea, and these chips will add delightful pockets of melted chocolate in every bite. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Make sure to get it into all the corners for even baking. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on them towards the end to ensure they don't overbake. We want them to be perfectly fudgy and delicious. These delicious desserts will be the highlight of any gathering. Section 4. Tips for brownie perfection. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a newbie in the kitchen, these tips will elevate your brownie game. Here's the inside scoop on achieving brownie nirvana, the perfect blend of fudgy and chewy. For extra fudgy brownies, underbake them slightly. This keeps them moist and gooey. Nobody likes a dry brownie. Avoid overbaking at all costs. To test for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. This is a foolproof method. If it comes out with a few moist crumbs, they're ready. Remember, a little gooiness is perfect. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before cutting into squares. Patience, my friend. This step is crucial for clean cuts. Feeling adventurous? Add a swirl of peanut butter to the batter before baking. This adds a delightful twist. Peanut butter and chocolate are a match made in dessert heaven. The combination is simply irresistible and will wow your taste buds. Section 5. Time to devour. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Congratulations, you've officially conquered the art of brownie making. Your kitchen must be filled with the irresistible aroma of chocolate. Now grab a glass of milk or a scoop of ice cream. Sit back and savor every bite of your homemade masterpiece. Each bite is a reward for your hard work. These brownies are just one of many delicious desserts you can create. Remember, baking is all about having fun and experimenting in the kitchen. It's not just about the end result, but the joy of the process. Delicious desserts are a wonderful way to bring joy to your home. Don't be afraid to get creative with mix-ins and toppings. Whether it's nuts, chocolate chips, or even a swirl of caramel, make it your own. The most important ingredient? Enjoying the process and sharing your delicious creations with loved ones. Happy baking! There's nothing better than seeing smiles on faces as they take that first bite of your delicious desserts.